I had several segmented rings and things lying around that I glued up several months ago with the intention of making segmented bowls. This is the story of one of those bowls. This one I wanted to make with walnut, oak, and pauduk. So what I did was I sanded one face to get a flat enough surface that I could glue on a waste block, simply so I could flatten the other side, since my glue ups weren't very precise. Once I flattened the rings, I glued on the base to the pauduk ring. And then used super glue to mount it to a waste block. I already had this waste block lying around from a previous project. So I chewed up the face of the pauduk, making sure it was straight with a ruler, and then glued on the next ring of oak. I was getting a lot of vibration when I was working on this ring, and I got a catch and it popped off. You can see how much it dug into the wood there. No problem, I'll just sand it off and glue it back on. Using a little more glue this time. So I resurfaced it. Glued on the walnut ring. Each one of these rings was taking me a day because I waited overnight for the glue to dry. And then I rough turned the outside. What I didn't know at the time was I took a little too much material off the outside. When I got to turning the inside, I had to make it pretty thin to get rid of the joints where the rings were glued together. And I mean really thin. I had to take really light cuts because I was getting vibration, especially near the outside. I stopped to feel it with my fingers and I just poked my finger right through it. Which is kind of disappointing because I really liked how it was turning out. Oh well, at least I learned how thin I could go in a bowl. See you next time in Cammy's Garage.